Hi friends, this is a smartwatch. I just bought it from the Amazon, so I just thought to do a quick unboxing video of this one as well. So it's a Bluetooth smartwatch with camera, touch screen. Now let's just unbox it. So inside the box, what we got? We got a USB cable, and this is it really. So this is a smartwatch from Sepver, and it looks pretty sleek in design. And this is called Sepver. It got a manual. This is a pretty good smartwatch with its price. It supports WhatsApp, it supports many features. So this is it really.